Forrest, I've been in an automobile wreck. How should I handle it? What should I do?
Well, the first thing you should do is if you've been in a wreck, you should call the police and have them investigate the wreck. The second thing is to get the other driver's insurance information. The third thing is you need to contact your insurance company. Now, having said that, the most important thing is if you've been injured, you need to get treatment first. But when you get to a point, you do need to contact your insurance company. You also need to contact the at-fault driver's insurance company. And it's important to do that early on because a lot of times insurance policies require that you give them prompt notice of a claim. And there may be coverages in your own policy that may cover medical expenses, property damage, things like that. So even if you weren't at fault, you still need to contact your insurance company. And it's also important because we see a lot of instances where the at-fault driver, either their policy has lapsed or they're not fully insured, and you may have coverages under your policy that would help cover your losses. I think some of the other things to consider, if you're able, is to get photographs of the damage of your car, photographs of the scene of the accident, because a lot of times pictures speak 1,000 words, and especially memories fade. And if you get 6 months down the road and the other driver, the at-fault driver, or the party that you thought was the at-fault driver, is now saying the wreck didn't happen the way that you're describing it. And if you've got that evidence, then you have the ability to counteract that. And a lot of times evidence will get away from you if you do not capture it quickly. Cars get fixed, skid marks fade, things like that. So it's very important that you gather all the evidence up as soon as possible. And the other thing that we try to do is contact witnesses, interview the police officer, things like that. So those are some of the things that you need to do immediately after the wreck. But again, the most important thing is to take care of yourself medically, or if somebody was in the car with you, to make sure that they get the medical attention that they need.
Forrest, it sounds like, of course, the most important thing after an automobile wreck is get the medical attention that you need.
Right.
Gather insurance information if you can. Take pictures if you're able to. If you have questions about your automobile wreck case, feel free to contact us now.